Enya sa bill no. Nye ne pepe de ba ko no mde koma president Kufa.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. E dey need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
Enya sa bill no. Nye ne pepe se de ba ko no mde koma president Kufa do enye ne pepe eno no. Enye ne pepe kura enti mame nkyere wade bi menkenka ade bi wa sei ema wo. Na iwia ya de no so afa adwene me hwe 2004 de no o hwe 2004 no a clause 9 or say a marriage entered into by the following persons is void: a person of the same sex, a person who has undergone gender or sex reassignment, or a person who has undergone any procedure that is intended to create a sexual category other than the sexual category of the person at birth, except in the case of correcting a biological abnormality, including intersex. And no, the mechanic 91 ABC 92 for 2021 there no. A certificate issued by a foreign authority pursuant to a marriage under Section 1 is unenforceable in Ghana. 3. A person who administers, witnesses, abets, solemnizes, or aids the solemnization of a marriage under Section 1, or issues or aids or abets in procuring a certificate in respect of marriage under Section 1, commits a misdemeanor and is liable on summary conviction to a term of imprisonment of not less than 1 year and not more than 3 years. And no, 2004 then. Or say, sa awari didi so nyina enya adwuma. So bi e ware sa awari a mebebo so bi a enya adwuma. Person of the same sex say me ye be man. Na me se maware Henry Kwasi Minka enya adwuma. Afei, a person who has undergone gender or sex reassignment say bia yawo me bema na me say me kwa me asesa me bema na ye me oba sa nipa no oware a enye ye se odene ba na wako akonya sesi ano be ware a enye ye because nyankopon amono ba. Any person who has undergone any other procedure that is intended to create a sexual category other than the sexual category of the person at birth is in the case of correcting a biological abnormality including intersex. Yemfa ne say ye obi a ono no ye wo nyankopon ba ade na ye wo no na okura oba ne be ma japade to nchen a doctor fo asiesie ba kwa ma no eto nchen a sa me ye be ma na makwa yi me be ma na firi ho se yemfa oba ntua ho ma me ana wo ye oba no ame akoyi oba na firi ho se yemfa be ma entua ho ema no o sa nipa no o ware a enye yie. Afei 92 or say bia obi akwa ware sa ware ni bi ewo aman foforo bi so na ya mana krata e kire so mo ya warefo na o mo de back sa krata no eba Ghana ha se ya sakrata no enya dwuma ewa ha 3 obi a ono na ekohwe eme edi nse oka na wafo na ka bi edi nachi de okodi hu adanse de obo amasa aware no baso de ohyira so ene de obo omo kwan bi aso masa aware no eba so no sa nipa no ono so ato emra na sa mra no a wato oni nti no yebetumi adana to afiase afe ekoka emfie miensa na mo ni se eboro mfie miensa 9 no nko ano no mawie 9 mamenko 2025 de no eti ba akura me kan ye first no de man kan sisi awie no eno na omse president Kufuado enkosan na ono sudwane firi ho no afi mamemra de e say omode akwa ada no makosan ya speaker say ono onya away clause 9 omode say clause 9 to 13 deal with LGBTQAP+ propaganda, advocacy, support, and other promotional activities. Clause 9 prohibits the use of a medium, technological platform, technological account, or the production, procurement, marketing, broadcasting, dissemination, publication, or distribution of a material for purposes of promoting an activity prohibited under the bill. Clause 9 also prohibits a person from using an electronic device, the internet service, a film, or any other capable or electronic storage or transmission to produce, procure, market, broadcast, disseminate, publish, or distribute a material for the purposes of promoting an activity prohibited under the bill. Clause 9 further prohibits a person from engaging in, participating in, promoting in, or supporting an act prohibited under the bill or aimed at changing public opinion towards an act prohibited under the bill. Furthermore, Clause 9 prohibits a person from offering a premises.
Na madam oslowu so afanyo mark ye nyina ka se na musa se bi o san kwase asem we ye de hwemu ye de NDC force the big from George e ye nanim se bo float e de catch ye said the law is perfect. And Richard Sky peace there be City FM journalist this there be
me say me catch the play na you playing fa say NDC for in this case we ni pa bonifo China America no
Ozo na da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya mamo na abusia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bit me ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bit me ko borrow oman bi leaders KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact they are equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look say your hospitals and they go sana no me na say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya this is can kwa kede was say botumi we say oh I mean say we say people ya akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo you say anya Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nkɔ no ho. Asofo no mo nkɔma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkɔma no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Chief imam for no nkɔma no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Politicians ni nkɔma no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Market women omo nkɔma no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nkɔ nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yet you come over so no ba or the credit scoring system, but I must open concrete. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen kitin ya dwen kitin ye bibi ye invest square ye kitin. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kitin. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open kitin. Is any one. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma say o mema was come to butu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Rajon Dramani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi am
say dey ko ye kra dey menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter na was say council of state member no we former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma oda and onya juma oda amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say dipane boa.
O si sa asem na listen for the first time nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda na nam one no. Yes. Na che say was in no kura dwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
say problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026. Within 4 or 5 months, we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se bar one ne nipa no ni business. And a nipa na fake si dia bra wu yoko. Se osusi se nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement. Ama o grant omo bi omo koi. Wako court. Yoko na court o. Uko court no. What will really the tiao? Say, this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account. Without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say, the only unique case. What ferry a konakoda afedi the old defediana afedi was by us say any mokura mo da mempemu bium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no we invite na wa maaye no issue document say we fugitive wo dwane tango personal attack as if say yoko office no and use any personal agenda and so sad
no Raymond no ankasa me ne matine ma ba emiensa bi I don't want to talk about
na me see the me mahu no wo the very soon be recordings ebepie very soon be recordings are ebepie and this state institutions are oh on sa no hu no no crash am fe yan sorry am fe na nsi for ma